So here is my baby portrait collection. There's this one. I am impressed. Good. There's that one. There's a cute baby. There's another one. See, I've done a lot. Look at that one. And then this one. And then this one. And that one. And then this big close-up. Hey, I can draw too. I drew a baby. How can you think that this is, look, good enough? Hey, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe for more. And watch out for the video courses we are creating for you to learn how to draw better.